Hi everybody and welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. That's Jack.
Yo.
Yo.
Something different. Why not?
Yeah, why not? So, we're going to do a quick breakfast thing. I was raised on these things. It reminds you of every police officer you ever know that's still warm in the wintertime. We're going to do pigs in a blanket.
So this one's super easy. You're just going to need some of the biscuits. Usually get the super cheap ones, the tall ones. We got some of the small tactical ones because we can get them for like 50 cents at the store. And then some of these little smoky sausage things, right? They got a bunch of different names. You can get them super cheap. You're not going to use all of those though.
Just a handful.
So get your baking sheet. Don't have to coat the bottom or put the plastic or the aluminum foil on it. Don't put plastic. Use it. Use just a quick spray of this oil, just a little bit, not too much. And then once you get that, then you need to get these biscuits open. All right, super easy. Unless you really jumpy or you're worried about exploding in your hand. Don't leave these in your car. By the way, I put some in my car once in the summer and went and watched a movie and came back and it exploded all over the back. Thank you, Texas summer. So get these out. I think each of these has 5 biscuits in it. We're going to use 10 total, but that's like half as many of those little sausage things as we have. So we're going to have extra. But when you're a single fat guy and you're trying to lose weight, this is too many anyway. But they work out really well. So get these, lay them out. Doesn't matter if they're kind of slightly deformed. You'll be fine. Now you get your sausages here, right? You get them open. And you're going to take one and put each one of these. That's what they, people sell them as like kolaches now with like the sausages in it, but that's a completely different kolache than from Poland or whatever. But you take them, roll them up in there, kind of stick it together. Usually the dough will stick to itself. Sometimes it won't, like this one. You see, kind of pinch it closed, and it kind of peels over anyway. So the easiest way to do it is to do that and then flip it over on the other side. And magic! Got them all done, flipped over, and sealed. So these are all ready for the oven, unless you want to line them up perfectly. You go to your oven, you want it to preheat it, so you probably do this early, but I forget how to do this. So you put it at 400, let it preheat. Once it gets to 400, once you get it turned on, once it gets to 400, go ahead and just put these right on the middle rack and just let them cook. Now, it should take 15 minutes. Check them. They're going to look kind of weird. Now I'm going to show you the improper way. Let's flip these over.
Go ahead. Ah! Ah! Ow. Hot, hot, hot. Huh.
Okay, so you can see that these are brown on one side and they're really light on the top. That's why you flip them over. The residual heat to kind of help cook the top of those, but they're going to be solid all the way through. And there you have it. That costs like maybe $3 because of the sausages or whatever. Mm-hmm. And it fed Jack's wife and child at least once. And I think Jack got a few of them, only got one. So that's how I'm losing weight. So there you have it.
Let that burn in the corner.
Yeah.
Hey, and there's another episode of Living Between Paychecks Kitchen finished. Hope you enjoyed the meal. Be sure to comment down in the comment section if you like what you saw, if you tried it yourself, or how you would do it different. Be sure to check us over on Instagram at Living Between or on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. And until next time, we'll see you right here on YouTube Tuesdays or Fridays.